welcome to the Satsuma Design Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how we hem our scrubs pants, the bottom that is. We are going to turn our fabric twice at 3/4 of an inch. So I have my gauge here marked to 3/4, and this is my first turn. I'm paying special attention to my seam, my safety stitch line, as that is the seam that's shown on the right side of the garment. I also always want to start my hemming on the inseam so that my back tacking, etc., is on the inside of the leg. So let's get started. I've folded once at 3/4, now I'll fold again. And you can see that I've aligned my seams very nicely there. I'll go ahead and place this under my sewing foot, and I'm going to be edge stitching. I'll drop my sewing foot and my needle, and in your experience with sewing hems, you know that the fabric can get a little bit tight and bunched up. So we just want to make sure that everything is laying flat at that 3/4 inch and then 3/4 inch turn again. I'm going to start, I'll go ahead and back tack, and just very slowly, almost in 1/8 sections, just kind of open up that fabric, turn the 3/4, turn it again, making sure that we're not getting any bunching or wrinkles there. So that's 3/4 and 3/4 again. I find that using my seam really helps in terms of aligning the hem. We'll also make sure that any errant threads are just pushed right under, and we're using that edge stitching corner. And things can get folded up, so we want to unfold as we sew. And when we come to the end too, we're just going to sew over our existing seam, back tack, and make everything look nice and clean. So this is the hem. I like the look of it, and we'll do the other side.